Uy, kagwapa.
Laban lang.
It made me a better person to realize in everything in life to achieve and through hard work and determination. A pleasant evening to each and everyone, especially to our part judges. Good evening. My name is Jeffrey Tolo in real life, but tonight, please allow me to stand by the name of Miss Maha Cargador. Maha Cargador po ang nagsasabing, enjoy the show. Thank you.
Wow! Miss Maha Cargador. Karon? O, dali na din. Ako makapa mo eh.
Lahat na ala beauty queen. Aura ko you will make you scream. Ganda kong nagnig.
Check mic test. Ang di mo pakpak mamatay. Ang di mo syagit masunugan og balay.